So today, new colour alert on the Yaris Cross, Urban Khaki. I've not seen it before. It caught my eye. I thought, that is a good looking car. This is Premier spec as well. Have a look inside in a sec. And you'll note, again, today it's raining, as usual, in the UK. I've done a couple of videos in the sun, made the most of it. But yeah, as said, have a look inside this Premier spec. Look at them seats. Half leather. It's at 10.5 infotainment. It's got the JBL tweeters as well. But it was mainly the colour. You'll see I've done a video on the Yaris Cross before saying what great value it was, and you compared it to like the CHRs and the RAV4s I've been looking at. But yeah, what do you think of that colour? I really like it. I think it really suits this size vehicle. 4K walk round, so it's almost like you're here with me. I mean, come on. Is that not good looking? Let's have a look in the back quickly. As I said, it's only a quick walk round. Boots on these are quite big as well. I noticed before. Yeah, but this is what I didn't know. Like, so you can lift that up and there's more boot space. Why would you have that? Not sure, not sure. Electric boot thing. It goes down. They do these in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive as well, actually, just remembered. 32 for the two-wheel drive, 34 for the four-wheel drive. So let's just quickly flick over to this Icon spec. It's the base model. So I'm just gonna compare what you get for your extra money, because the one we are looking at is the Premier in Urban Khaki, which has just been launched. That's why I've never seen it before. We're the first to see it in that colour. It's the launch of the Premier in that colour. So we'll go back to that in a sec. I just wanted to see what we get for our money. This is 25 grand. Like I said, you get the, obviously straight away, you know, it's got 16-inch alloys, not 18. It doesn't have rear tints in the back window or the rear window. Let's have a look inside. Seats are different, but they're okay, aren't they? They're okay. It's got 160 brake horsepower. Two-wheel drive's got 8-inch multimedia. Everything else, steering wheel slightly different. Has all the SOS button like the other. Also no wireless charging here, which you get in the Premier. You've got a couple of ports in there, and you've got like an AC adapter thing in there as well. But yeah, I mean, it's okay, isn't it? For 25, all in. Another point to note on this is you don't get an electric tailgate either. But they're not the heaviest in the world. They're fairly light, so it's not really an issue. The other one we're looking at, the Premier, is 32. This is 25. It's in white, so it's a free colour. But yeah, let's go back over to the Premier. So let's have a quick look in the back. Like I've said before, loads of leg room. Very nice trim, this though. I've noticed on this as well, if you've got 4 adults, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, you've got a little drinks holder in there for them as well. How cool is that? But yeah, what do you reckon of that? I really like that. Have a quick look in the driver's cab. It's got the lumbar support, it's got the very nice seats, sport steering wheel, all clear and precise, standard hybrid 1.5, 130 brake horse. It's got the SOS button, so if you're having any accidents, emergencies, you press that, rings emergency services. They ask you what service you require, and it pinpoints your location. So have a quick look under the bonnet. It's got really nice 18-inch machined alloys. Look at them, really nice. I think it really suits the colour, doesn't it? Obviously, it would have been better on a sunny day, but we can't buy a sunny day here in the UK, can we? There is the engine, as per usual. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but I'm just here to look at what the outside looked like, really, because it spotted it, and it was, come on. That is good looking, isn't it? It's not just me. So yeah, final little walk round in 4K. What do you reckon? Let me know. Because a couple of people said they were unsure. So is it a Marmite colour? Do you like that? Let me know in the comments. I think that's really nice. I think on a sunny day, it will really stand out. Today, it kind of just blends in a bit, but I think it really works on this size vehicle. Like I said, there's a RAV4. I think that's in the showroom, actually. I've seen it here. Might go and have a look at that in a sec. But yeah, I've seen it on the RAV4. Thought it's nice, but it looks a bit, the vehicle's a bit too big to carry out this colour. But this size, like I said, 32, the spec on this is like the best you'll get at 32 grand. Or you can have 4-wheel drive, so you can have this in as a baby 4-wheel drive vehicle, 34. Comes well under the wealth tax. You'll see I've mentioned that on loads of my videos. If you spend over 40 grand in the UK, you've got to pay nearly another 400 quid a year for 5 years on the vehicle. It's kind of like a wealth tax. Really annoys me. This is well under it. yeah, quick walk round. What do you reckon? So I just asked, it is a brand new colour. That's why I've not seen it before. It's only just come out. So if you're thinking of buying this colour, I thoroughly approve. So it is a colour alert and a weather alert on the same time. Look, it's been raining here in the UK. Let's have a little look. Yeah, we got a little bit used to the weather last week, a little bit of sun, but we're back to normal now. Here it is, Urban Khaki, brand new colour. There you go. So yeah, quick walk round, what do you reckon? If you like that quick video, please do give the video a like. It would help my channel immensely. Thank you so much and have a great day. A rainy day, albeit. But we're used to that, aren't we? Another quick walk, let's go.